Artificial Intel Pros and Cons, a career guide navigated by Brian Ross and ChatGPT. Atmospheric and space scientists. AI. Statement: AI can support atmospheric and space scientists by helping analyze weather data, climate patterns, satellite images, radar information, space weather activity, and large scientific datasets. AI may assist with forecasting models, storm tracking, air quality analysis, climate simulations, solar activity monitoring, data visualization, and research reports. AI does not replace scientific judgment, field expertise, model interpretation, public safety responsibility, research ethics, or the ability to explain uncertainty clearly. This role may become more technology-supported as weather, climate, aviation, defense, agriculture, emergency management, and space research use more sensors, satellites, automation, and advanced modeling tools. Pros: atmospheric and space scientists perform important work related to weather, climate, storms, air quality, aviation safety, environmental planning, and space conditions. This role can offer meaningful scientific work, public safety value, professional respect, and strong technical career opportunities. The job builds advanced skills in data analysis, forecasting, modeling, physics, mathematics, research, communication, and scientific software. Experience can lead to careers in meteorology, climate science, government agencies, aviation, defense, environmental consulting, research, emergency management, energy, agriculture, or space weather programs. Cons: the career may require strong education in science, math, physics, meteorology, atmospheric science, or related fields. Some jobs may require shift work, weekend coverage, emergency weather monitoring, public alerts, or high-pressure forecasting decisions. Weather and climate work involves uncertainty, so scientists must communicate risks carefully and responsibly. Research roles may involve grant funding, complex data, long project timelines, and constant technology changes. Bottom line: atmospheric and space scientists are a strong fit for people who are analytical, science-focused, detail-oriented, and interested in weather, climate, space, and public safety. This is a strong career path for someone who wants technical scientific work with real-world impact on forecasting, planning, safety, and environmental understanding. Atmospheric and space scientists 19 to 2020. Career guide: a strong atmospheric or space scientist usually develops through education in meteorology, atmospheric science, physics, mathematics, environmental science, computer science, or a related field. Successful candidates build experience through forecasting, research projects, satellite data, radar analysis, computer modeling, scientific writing, and public communication. Strong math, data analysis, programming, and communication skills are highly valuable. SOC description: atmospheric and space scientists study weather, climate, air quality, atmospheric conditions, and space weather. They use scientific data, models, satellites, radar, sensors, and computer systems to forecast conditions, study environmental changes, and support public safety or research. Common duties: analyze weather, climate, atmospheric, or space weather data. Use radar, satellites, sensors, models, and scientific software. Prepare forecasts, warnings, reports, charts, maps, or research findings. Study storms, temperature, precipitation, wind, air quality, climate trends, or solar activity. Communicate risks to agencies, businesses, media, emergency teams, or the public. Develop or improve forecasting models and scientific methods. Support aviation, agriculture, defense, energy, transportation, or emergency planning. Conduct research and publish scientific findings. Monitor severe weather, climate events, or space weather hazards. Explain uncertainty, risk, and scientific information clearly. Core skills: meteorology, atmospheric science, data analysis, forecasting, scientific modeling, mathematics, physics, programming, radar and satellite interpretation, research, technical writing, public communication. Qualification: Qualifications: many positions require a bachelor's degree in meteorology, atmospheric science, physics, environmental science, mathematics, or a related field. Research, university, and advanced scientific roles may require a master's degree or doctoral degree. Employers may prefer experience with forecasting software, programming, radar, satellites, statistics, GIS, climate models, or scientific computing. Some roles may require shift availability, security clearance, public communication ability, or specialized training. Characteristic traits: many positions require a bachelor's degree in meteorology, atmospheric science, physics, environmental science, mathematics, or a related field. Research, university, and advanced scientific roles may require a master's degree or doctoral degree. Employers may prefer experience with forecasting software, programming, radar, satellites, statistics, GIS, climate models, or scientific computing. Some roles may require shift availability, security clearance, public communication ability, or specialized training. Your name, city, state, resume template, phone number, email address, professional summary. Science-focused candidate with interest in atmospheric science, meteorology, space weather, climate research, forecasting, and data analysis. Skilled in scientific research, technical documentation, weather data review, modeling support, and communicating complex information clearly. Core skills: meteorology support, atmospheric science research, weather data analysis, forecasting support, radar and satellite data, climate analysis, scientific modeling, programming/data tools, technical writing, GIS or mapping support, research documentation, public safety, communication, education, college or university name, degree in meteorology, atmospheric science, physics, environmental science, mathematics, computer science, or related field. Year relevant coursework: meteorology, atmospheric science, climate science, physics, calculus, statistics, computer science, remote sensing research/forecasting. Experience, project or role name, organization name, city, state, dates collected, reviewed, analyzed, or interpreted, weather, climate, satellite, radar, or atmospheric data. Supported forecasting, modeling, research, mapping, or technical reporting. Used scientific software, programming tools, databases, or visualization systems. Prepared reports, charts, maps, presentations, or research summaries. Communicated findings clearly with supervisors, researchers, students, agencies, or teams. Work experience, job title, company name, city, state, dates. Supported technical, analytical, research, educational, or data-focused work. Reviewed records, datasets, schedules, reports, or measurements for accuracy. Communicated clearly with co-workers, supervisors, clients, students, or the public. Followed research procedures, deadlines, documentation standards, and project goals. Training/certifications: Python, R, MATLAB, GIS, remote sensing, weather forecasting tools, radar, satellite analysis, climate modeling, data science, or research methods. Training: additional experience, weather forecasting, research, data analysis, programming, emergency management, environmental work, aviation support, science communication, tutoring, or technical writing. Experience may be listed here. Cover letter template copy ready. Dear hiring manager, I am applying for the atmospheric and space scientist's position. I am interested in this career area because it combines weather, climate, space science, data analysis, forecasting, and public safety. Cover letter template. Dear hiring manager, I am applying for the atmospheric and space scientist's position. I am interested in this career area because it combines weather, climate, space science, data analysis, forecasting, and public safety. I bring strong analytical thinking, attention to detail, scientific curiosity, and respect for accurate data interpretation. I understand that atmospheric and space science work requires careful modeling, clear communication, and responsible explanation of uncertainty and risk. I am prepared to support data analysis, forecasting, research, technical documentation, modeling, and communication with teams or the public. I would appreciate the opportunity to contribute to your organization with professionalism, scientific discipline, and a strong commitment to useful, accurate information. Thank you for your time and consideration. Sincerely, your name. Elevator pitch. I am interested in atmospheric and space scientist roles because I enjoy weather, climate, space science, and solving real-world problems with data. I am analytical, detail-oriented, and comfortable working with complex information. I would bring strong research habits, technical skill, and clear communication to forecasting, climate, atmospheric, or space weather work.